Chapter 9, Part A, Brief Fundamental Insurance. Introduction to Liability Insurance. Common features of liability insurance policies. So, all features. So, number 1, insure bodily injury and property damage. So, all bodily injury and property damage. Bodily injury in liability policies include: bodily injury refers to injury to the body, so all the body, from extreme source. So highlight the keyword extreme source. For example, slipping on icy steps causing bone fracture. Sickness or disease refers to condition which manifest internally. So highlight internally. For example, tainted water can result in a variety of diseases when ingested. So highlight tainted water. For example, sometimes you drink the tap water, right? Everybody becomes sick. So that's sickness. Death resulting from any of these at any time. Death directly attributed, so I will the word attributed, to bodily injury or sickness or disease is also covered. So next one is property damage. Means physical injury to tangible property, including all resulting loss of use, loss of use of such property. So for example, somebody's vehicle damage your gate, right? And so you can't use anymore. And number 2. So the first one was basically bodily injury and sickness. So it covers death too. And then it was the property damage. So now we talk about third party coverage only. So payment under liability policy is made to a party other than the insured. So other than insured. For example, somebody damages you, you damage somebody's property, so naturally you have to pay. So that party is third party. Third party, one who is not party to the agreement, not party to the agreement, but who may have rights to it. So liability policy, agreement between insurer and insured. And when the claims come and the insurance company pays to whom? Third party. For example, third party slips in front of your house, right? And he sues you. So the insurance company pays to him. Okay. The third, payment made only when insured is legally liable. So how is legally liable? Payment made. Legal liability is a matter of law, and determined by courts. And who decides it? Courts. If third party sues you, so basically court decides. Insurer will not make payment when insured has assumed responsibility out of a moral obligation. So highlight out of a moral obligation and highlight a won't pay. For example, if you knowingly do it, they won't pay you. Number 4, coverage provided on occurrence basis. Highlight occurrence basis. So occurrence means an accident including continuous or repeated. So highlight continuous or repeated exposure to the same general harmful condition. So number 1, accident. An occurrence that is sudden and unexpected. Accident means sudden and unexpected. Can be fixed in time. Fixed in time. For example, the time of motor vehicle accident can be determined quite accurately when the accident happens. Right? Continuous or repeated exposure to the same harmful conditions. Continuous or repeated exposure to the same harmful conditions. Occurs over a long period of time. Residents of Waterton, Ontario, were exposed to tainted water and Waterton, and experienced health problems over several years. Condition resulted in several deaths. So the residents keep drinking water right? So they kept drinking water, and then what happened after several years? So some people died, right? And the next one is limit of insurance. Applies to each occurrence, highlight each occurrence. So anytime it happens, they pay you, which happens during the policy term. Amount is automatically reinstated after a liability claim has been paid. For example, you have a $200,000 coverage, right? Somebody made a claim, so 200 paid, but the next time is still again a 200,000. It doesn't reduce. 5. Pays compensatory damage only. Compensatory damage means insurance pays only those amount intended to compensate. Intended to compensate the wrong party. Wrong party means plaintiff, a person who sued, for injury or property damage caused by insured. Caused by insured. Insured is defendant. Other damages such as punitive or exemplary or nominal damage awarded by the courts are not paid by the insurance. Basically, if you do something wrong, criminally or something, right? So then the insurance company doesn't pay. So then you have to pay yourself. And next, duties in the event of an occurrence, claim or action. So what do you do when things happen? Obligation imposed on insured. On insured. Insured must cooperate with insurers. Must cooperate. Provide prompt notice to insurer of any occurrence which may result in a claim. Prompt notice. Basically, when an accident happens, right away. Insurer is entitled to knowledge of any occurrence. Insured must provide all information regarding time, place and circumstances. Names and addresses of witness and potential claimant. Name and address of witness. Next, copies of any legal paper received must be forwarded immediately to insurer when legal action is taken. Legal paper. Plaintiff files a statement of claim. With the courts. A specific period of time is set by the court for the defendant to respond. So a specific period of time to respond with a statement of defense. Statement of defense. If this period has expired, the court will not accept any defense and damages are awarded by default. For example, somebody sues you and court tells you, okay, reply within these 2 weeks. You don't reply, what happened now? So you lose. So now you have to pay. Next, authorize insurer to obtain record and other information. So police reports or report filed with other authority may assist determining potential of the insured to avoid any potential conflict of interest. So basically, insurance company has the right to get the reports and records. When the accident happens, there is a police report, so they can get it. Not without consent of the insurer make any voluntary payment other than first aid. So highlight first aid, no voluntary payment. Insured is not permitted to voluntarily offer any amount to a third party without the express authorization, without the clear authorization by the insurance company. The only expense allowed to be paid is for first aid only. And this is mostly common. So you don't start paying to the party. And the next one is supplementary payments. So which we can do.